How much is Stargazer here in the Philippines? I will check. Stargazer X. How much? I don't know. How much? How much Stargazer? 1,348,000. If pay cash cheaper or not? Discount don't have?
100,000 discount.
If cash 100,000 discount.
Yes,
Oh, good. Gasoline.
yes.
Diesel have or don't have?
Gas, sir.
Only gas.
Yeah.
Oh.
1.5 gas.
1. 7 seaters.
Yes.
Oh, it's good 7 seaters. Same like Toyota Rush.
Yeah, sure.
Same style. Only Hyundai. But it's more interesting. Okay, thank you. Yes, I see already. Only one automatic window. Only one. Toyota Rush same, only one automatic. Power window, power seats don't have. Good car. Stargazer X. 7 seats. Thank you. Or 17. It's good car for Philippines because 7 seat in the Philippines is good. Popular car.